Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we're going to talk about the heavy club two-handed front press. This video is part of a big series of videos meant to teach you heavy club swinging in logical order. Heavy clubs are something that every athlete of every age should train with because they emphasize the most human traits. Humans have thumbs, and that allows us to be the dominant species on the planet because it allows us to use levers. Today's video is about the two-handed front press with a heavy club. This exercise is a basic human movement. Think about opening the refrigerator, reaching out, grabbing a gallon of milk, pulling it in, and putting it back in the fridge. Almost no other training has a good way to train this. A bench press or a push-up makes us stronger in the chest, but is not in the correct core orientation. Heavy club swinging takes a front press off of the ground, puts it back into a standing posture. We want to always make sure we're doing our athletic training in the standing position to train our spinal alignment and our core engagement in a standing posture. To pick up the club, step up to it. Club is directly between the insteps of our feet. Push our hips back, two hands on. Pick up the club to our order position. Order position is key to every heavy club movement. If you want to go up in weight, and you should, then elbow position on the body and arm at a 90-degree angle is key. If we look at the hand and there is a gap between the top finger and the second finger, you are not in the correct spot yet. Figure out how to close your hand all the way until all four knuckles are in a straight line. If one knuckle is off, you do not have full grip confirmation yet. Point your feet straight ahead. Straighten your legs out all the way. Squeeze your glutes. Your glutes are the bottom of your core. Press straight out, pull the weight in. Press out, hand, top hand to the height of your nose. Pull it in. Press out, pull it in. Press out, pull it in. Your glutes are engaged the entire time. They are engaged hardest when the weight is furthest out from your body. You should feel them contract harder when the weight is out in front of you. Always three things we are doing with heavy clubs. The heavier the club, the more important it is. Straighten your legs out, pull your kneecaps up, flex the quad muscles, squeeze your glutes, drive your rib cage down. What people will do in the beginning is they will bend their legs, duck their butt, and lift their rib cage up, and then their lower back will hurt. Engage the core. Straight legs, booty on, rib cage down, press straight out, pull it in. The important part on the press is that your top hand is at the height of your nose. Top hand is the important one. Bottom hand is just a support. We need to make sure that both elbows are straight and walked out in the pressed position. Wrist in the correct spot, elbow in the correct spot. That allows you to drive your shoulder away from your ear to squeeze your lat. Lat wraps around, drive the rib cage down, squeeze the glutes, straighten the legs. This exercise is about creating total body tension in the standing position. Doesn't matter what sport you play, learning to do this front press core firing is a basic human skill, and you should be very, very good at it.